Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can set default alert times for birthday and event and iPhone calendar. It's pretty simple. You want to go inside your phone setting. From the setting you want to scroll all the way down until you see calendar. Click on calendar. From here you want to scroll a bit down and you will see default alert times. Click on that. From inside here at the top you will see birthday. You want to click on birthdays. Now you have all these options. You want to choose when you want to get notified before the birthday. Do you want to get notified on the day of the event at 9 a.m. or a day before the birthday at 9 a.m. or 2 days before the birthday at 9 a.m. or you want to be reminded of the birthday 1 week ahead. You want to choose all the time, or you can choose whichever time you want. Whichever time has the tick mark, that is the time you chose. So you can choose the time you want and whichever time you chose. So for this video's example, I chose 2 days, which means I'm going to get an alert 2 days before the birthday happens. So that is how you guys can set default alert times for birthday and event and iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time. And for event, just do the same thing. Just go inside events, okay?